friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you metric units and conversion of units. Okay, so before explanation of exercise 2.5, we need to learn about the metric units. Okay, now these things we already learned in our standard 6, right? First of all, here King Hector declares unit decide chocolate milk. King Hector declares unite decide chocolate milk. Now from king, first unit is kilo. Okay. Then from Hector, hectometer. Then from declares deca, we can write a DEK, otherwise DECA, deca. Okay. Then unit means whatever unit we need to use. Then deci, then centi and millimeter. From decide it is deci, from chocolate it is centi, and from milk it is milli. Okay, so kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. Now if we want to use unit as a meter, then this becomes decameter, hectometer, kilometer, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, then meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now if we want to convert one from the other, then what we need to do? Here if we want to convert our unit from left hand side to right hand side, then we need to multiply it by 10. Okay, kilo is bigger unit than all of this. Okay, then hecto, then deca, then unit, deci, centi and milli. Here millimeter is less than all this value, all this unit. Okay, if we are going from left hand side to right hand side, then we need to multiply by 10. That means if we want conversion from kilometer to hectometer, we need to multiply with 10. If we want to go from hectometer to decameter, again we need to multiply 10. If we want to go decameter to meter, we need to multiply 10. If we want to transfer meter to decimeter, then we need to multiply by 10. Again, if we want to transfer decimeter to centimeter, then again we need to multiply by 10. And from centimeter to millimeter, again we need to multiply by 10. Okay. Then if we want conversion from hectometer to decimeter, then what we need to do? Multiply 10, again multiply 10, and again multiply 10. So total 3 times. So we need to multiply 1000. Okay. If we want to go from decameter to millimeter, then here multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10. So total 4 times. So we need to multiply by 10,000. Okay. So similar way, if we want to convert from kilo to deca, then here multiply 10, again multiply 10. So we need to multiply with 100. Okay. So if we are going from left hand side to right hand side, we need to apply multiply 10. But if we transfer from right hand side to left hand side, we need to do divide by 10. Okay, that means if we want to convert from millimeter to centimeter, we need to divide by 10. Then again from centimeter to decimeter, we need to do divide by 10. From decimeter to meter, again we need to do divide by 10. From meter to decameter, again we need to divide by 10. From decameter to hectometer, again we need to divide by 10. And from hecto to kilo, again we need to divide by 10. That means if we want to transfer our unit from centimeter to decameter, then here divide by 10, again divide by 10, again divide by 10. So total divide by 1000. Okay, divide by 1000. If we want to transfer our unit from decimeter to hectometer, then here divide by 10, divide by 10, again divide by 10. So total divide by 1000. Okay. If we want to transfer from millimeter to kilometer, then divide by 10, 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 divide by 10. So total 6 times. So we need to divide it with here we need to put 6 0. Okay, that means 10 lakhs. We need to divide it by 10 lakh. Okay. So in this way we can convert our units. If we are going from left hand side to right hand side, we need to do multiply by 10. But if we are going from right hand side to left hand side, then we need to use division process. Okay, in place of meter, if gram is there, then we can convert our unit in same way. Okay, this is becomes kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Same way we can convert our unit in gram even. That means if we want to go from hectogram to gram, then multiply 10, multiply 10. So totally we need to multiply by 100. Okay, left hand side to right hand side. If we want to go from centimeter to decameter, then divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. So alternately divide by 1000. Okay, right hand side to left hand side. Same thing, same way we can use for the liter even. This is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Okay. If we want to transfer from kiloliter to liter, then here multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10. Alternately multiply by 1000. Left hand side to right hand side. But if we want to transfer our unit from centimeter to decameter, then here divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. So alternately totally divide by 1000. Okay, in this way we can convert our units. That means if we are going from left hand side to right hand side, we need to multiply with 10. But if we are going from right hand side to left hand side, we need to multiply it by, we need to divide it by 10. Okay, thank you.